Today we're going to show our new compost bucket. Here's our compost pile. We've already started spreading out some compost. This is our Ditch Witch SK800 mini skid steer. This is a bucket we fabricated. Just got a motor off a surplus center. A couple of hoses from surplus, the fittings. We got that coupler right there. We got a shaft, 1-inch shaft, piece of pipe, some metal plates, and a pillow block bearing there. Just fabricated some metal, put a hole in the bottom down there. It's about a 3-inch wide hole or so here in the bottom. And I'm going to try to show you how this thing works. Try to do it one-handed if I can. We're just going to scoop it full. Give it a shake. Get everything at the back. See, we're not losing a whole lot of it out the bottom. We might lose a little bit. We go to where we're gonna go to. Just gonna start right over here. Hit this road, get some fuel, take it, and we're gonna lock. We got a foot lock down here that locks the rotary shaft. If you look right there, you're going to see that start rotating when I turn it on. And then we just go down through here and dump it out. And every once in a while we'll have to shake the bucket. Works pretty good. Works a lot better when I got two hands than with one hand. But anyways, that's our compost spreader bucket. That's a new attachment that we had David Thrasher fabricate for us. And if you need anything like this fabricated, I must have got a rock. I bent one of my tines inside there. Must have picked up a rock a while ago. But anyways, that's our compost spreader bucket, and that beats the heck out of spreading compost with a bucket or a wheelbarrow, especially when you're spreading this much. Anyways, have a good one.